Hello, 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 hello. A sound. Hello. Hello. Hey guys, my name is Ajay. Welcome to Financial Gyan. So today we are analyzing US markets. As you see, US is raised its tariffs from 145 to 245 on China. So they also did same thing, like they stopped the delivery from America Boeing. So it's affecting overall markets, global markets. So now Dow Jones performance we are seeing now. So see, as you see now, it's like from the starting of the market today. See, there is a huge gap, huge bouncing is going on. See, from today. See, this is how chart looks like for today. Very volatile session is going on. Like there is a at the initial hours, it's like a gap up opening, but after that, it's like a 400 points gap up. But in the meantime, it's falling like again, it's falling like 200 to 300 points. So it will impact our markets too tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I think there is a holiday. So you can see how careful you have to be with the markets in this time of crisis. Mainly you can observe not only Dow Jones, many indicators are saying there will be a recession, and many people are also commenting on this. It will impact American markets, and obviously virtually we will face that heat too. So if you don't want to trap in this, please do SIPs so that you won't be hurt in a long term. For short term, you can see your portfolio is going down, but in the long term, it may work for sure. I think in this time you can get more units of mutual funds through your SIPs. It will work on long term, so you can go with that. So as you guys see this, you can see 3 hours chart. So how rapidly it moved from like 40,381 to 30,366 661. So you can see the volatility like nearly 800 points there is a gap. So you have to be careful while observing our markets too. So be careful. As you see, due to global trade war tensions, it will impact our Indian markets too. So you can you can observe the markets and wait for the right opportunity, because in these 2 days markets have gone like 500 to 600 points up in our Indian markets. So it may come down in the meantime. So wait for the right opportunity. You will get good stocks at good prices. Already many stocks are in 30 to 40 or 50% in discount from 52 weeks high. But you can get more cheaper. But don't rush to buy anything, uh, any suggested stocks. Please find good stocks on the basis of its P and its 5 year history. You can observe mainly, and its results. Main thing is results. As you see, nowadays Infosys has gone up to 1800. After that, it fell to 1300. So from there it moved for 1400. But due to their newses and its performance in this quarter, it all of them impacted its prices. And one more thing, market's volatility is also one of the cause. So you have to observe everything. So little bit of analysis can help you grow more wealth. So pick the stocks wisely. Hey guys, so as you see, I arranged stock S&P, S&P chart and Dow Jones chart. You generally observe these things for US markets, and interestingly nowadays I'm also observing Nvidia. Many people say like that, and many giants like Google, Apple, Facebook. Everyone observe that too as a investor or trader. They observe Tesla too. Many traders in the meantime made billions of profits through Tesla only by shorting it. So you can observe that model to get some insights about trading, how they dump and pump the stock so that they get profits. So now we will talk about overall how markets are performing, how Dow Jones is performing, and how US markets are performing, so that we can analyze for tomorrow how our markets, Indian markets, will impact with this. So mainly S&P 500 currently trading down from today's high to down 2.13%. Dow Jones 1.38%, Nasdaq 3.10%. So these markets are experiencing significant declines, right? Particularly in the tech sector. You can see sector stocks, they are falling due to new US export restrictions on AI chips to China. So as I said, Nvidia shares have dropped over 5% after announcing a 5.5 billion charge related to these restrictions. So this is the main reason it has fallen due to this 5.5 billion charge. So after that we can check out global market sentiments. After that we will see potential impact on Indian markets. Now, so as you see, the US China trade tensions have led to increased volatility across global markets, and volatility index VIX has risen to 31.86. So it is indicating market uncertainty has been heightened. So you have to be careful. And now we'll see impact on Indian markets, how this global trade war will impact on Indian markets. Given the current global market volatility, Indian markets may experience increased pressure. So FIs have bought in this 2 days good like 4,000 crores has been pumped, but it's not like it will impact. It will raise the markets, but they can withdraw those billions in a point of time. So you should be careful. We should, as an investors, we should monitor developments closely, right? Especially in sectors like technology, export oriented industries. Due to these tariffs, it will affect so much more, which could more directly affected by this trade dynamics. So you see, as you see, this volatility index VIX is there now. It's like 31.86. It has risen to this much, which is a clear sign that fear is back in the market, right? So SGX Nifty may may open lower, expect a gap down start, we can expect it. Many stocks like TCS and Infosys and Wipro could be under pressure. Export industries like many export industries are there, so you can see this. But you have to be careful with the FIS data, FIS flows respond. So you can check out this. If you like this session, you can comment on it for further developments, and we can start a conversation on this global cues and how they will impact our Indian markets, like which sectors will affect mainly due to this trade war, and which sectors will beneficiate get profits due to this trade wars. We can analyze it. So please like and subscribe Financial Gyan. I mean Financial underscore Gyan. So see, markets have been steady from making a low of 39.396612. It has gone to 39.821 Dow Jones. So you can see it is a 160 points up, but it can go down again. As you see, they are making a very red marks. Red candles are very higher here. See, you can see here and here. These charts are very crucial for this today's momentum. As you see now, and Nasdaq, it's also making deeper only. It's going deeper only. It's going down only actually. And S&P also same acting like that.
the time the two goals are not in tension. And they're not really in tension now. The labor market is still strong. But the shock that we're experiencing, the impulses we're feeling are for higher unemployment and higher inflation. And, our tool only does one of those two things at the same time. So it's a difficult place for central banks, to be in terms of what to do. And so the best we can do is we actually have a little provision in our consensus statement, which is the thing that we vote on to embody how we approach these questions. What we say is we will look at how far the economy is from each of those two goals, and then we'll ask, might there be different paces at which they would approach those goals?
Survey said, I've never felt more uncertainty about.
So guys, see, Jerome Powell is also delivers urgent market outlook, right? So is also throwing bombs at us. So there are many factors are affecting. In this time, many people will skip the markets and stop their SIPs and go back to their daily lives, do their jobs, boring jobs. They'll go to that. So you can see that. So be careful, guys. Don't get depressed seeing all this trade wars and everything. Everything will settle down and markets will blow up in the meantime. So be invested. Don't get confused seeing all these newses. Just keep your small amounts of money in the markets. Don't put all your savings in stock markets. As there is a saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know what that means? If that basket will fall or break, all eggs, you will lost every penny of your savings. So don't put all your savings in one stock market. So split your savings to multiple ways. You know better than me, I think. So guys, but don't get depressed seeing all this. Be careful. Stay invested, stay wise, stay healthy and stay funny. Thank you, guys. Today we are signing off with this, and we will see if I can do tomorrow. If I have time, I will do tomorrow live session for Asian markets too, and we can do our Indian markets live too. So signing off, Amajay. Thank you.